How to promote and sell NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can promote your NFTs in order to sell them and make money and to create a successful NFT collection. So let's get started. Today I will actually show you different ways that you should definitely check out if you are thinking of creating your own NFT collection and if you want to really sell your NFTs, because we know NFT marketplace is huge and there are NFT collections every day. New NFT collections are coming up. There are amazing creators, and when you create any NFT collection, you want to make sure that you sell those NFTs and your collection stands out, and you have to promote your collection. What are some free ways you can promote your NFT collection to sell your NFTs and to create a successful NFT collection and to get rich, of course, to make money as well? So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is creating your own website. Creating a website is really important when it comes to your NFT collection. Let's just say you have created any NFT collection, and if you do not have a website, then you don't look professional, and it just kind of like seems you have uploaded NFTs on OpenSea, because on OpenSea.io, which is the world's largest NFT marketplace, we see a lot of different collections, and they are just few NFTs uploaded by people, and we don't consider them professional, and we kind of like divert from them and we find another NFTs. So we don't want that. We want people to kind of like take notice of our NFT collection. So in order to do that, you have to create a website. How you can create a website? You can simply go to any platform. I would suggest some of the very easy ones. You can go to wix.com and create a very simple and very professional website. Creating a website with Wix is really easy. You can also go to squarespace.com if you want to. It's super easy to create websites with them. It's super easy to use Wix and Squarespace, both of them. You simply create these websites and they're completely free. They have a lot of templates to choose from as well. You can choose from different templates. You can kind of like if you do not know how to create a website, you can simply customize a template, and that will really help you to create a professional website. So when we talk about websites, you don't need a fancy website. You can check out, this is a website for CryptoPunks. We know CryptoPunks is one of the best and top collections out there, and this is what their website looks like. It's a very simple looking website. You can see right here like a very basic information, but they're doing what they need to do. They're getting the promotion, right? So this is what you need to do. Just create a website, and that will actually help you promote your NFT better. So that is why creating a website is really important. You can see that every collection has its own website. So when it comes to promoting your NFT, make sure to create a website. The next thing you need to do is creating your own Discord server. So if you are into NFTs, you might have some idea that how important Discord is when it comes to NFT community. Every NFT collection has its own Discord, and you can simply go ahead and join their Discord. And when you will be creating your own NFT collection, make sure to create your own NFT server on Discord. That is really important. So you can see I have kind of like joined every NFT server. I think I have Cool Cats right here. So in here you will see this is the Discord for Cool Cats. Then we have Boyd APR. Then we have the Takashi Murakami one, the Nike one. Then we have World of Women. That is actually one of my favorites. And I also have Rarible and OpenSea, which are like the platforms for NFT. You will notice that each of these NFT collections, and this is what happens most of the time when you are in these very famous collections, right, in these servers. So most of the time what happens is you get an invite from the people who see you in these Discord servers, and they're like, okay, so we also have a collection and we have created a Discord, so they send you an invite. So you can do that too, because these servers have millions of members, and they have thousands of members. You can also create a server. Creating a server on Discord is really easy, and it really helps you get the audience, because the community on Discord is really growing, and it's there. People are always on Discord looking for NFTs. The communities are growing. Millions of people, thousands of people are on Discord, and these are the people who are interested in NFTs. You will be able to find the people who are looking for NFT collections, and they will check out your collection, and you will be able to promote your collection better, and you will be able to sell it. The next way you can promote your NFT collection is going to be Twitter. So we know Twitter is a social media platform, and when it comes to Twitter, we know the audience is there. People are always using twitter.com for different purposes. We know Twitter is really famous for crypto and NFTs and stuff like that. So when we talk about Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest, they are there, right? They are a good social media platform for promotion. But I have noticed and I have seen that Twitter, like Discord, right? Twitter is actually one of the social media platforms that is, really important in NFT marketplaces and in NFT collections and in NFT community. So all of the collections have their own Twitter. Whenever we check out any collection on OpenSea or on Rarible, any other platform, even Solana NFTs, every NFT has their own Twitter. So that is why I kind of like noticed that when it comes to an NFT collection, like we discussed, a website is really important, a Discord is really important, and the third thing is going to be the Twitter, because Twitter really is out there, and you will have to create a Twitter. Go ahead, create your Twitter account. Creating Twitter account is super easy, right? So you should definitely, when you have a collection, now just look at the bigger picture. You have a collection, and that collection has a website, that collection has a Discord, that collection has a Twitter. So it will automatically become among these collections that are serious, and people will actually check out your collection, and they'll be like, okay, this creator is serious about their art, and they are really looking to produce something good. They're not just a random person posting and minting NFTs on the open marketplace. So that is why it's really important to promote your NFTs on Twitter. On Twitter, again, you can tweet about your NFTs, you will add your NFTs, you can do giveaways, you can give away free NFTs. Maybe you can join these different Twitters, you can do collaborations. That really helps you to promote your NFT, and that will really help you to sell your NFT. That is why Twitter is really important. And if you are looking to sell your NFTs, and if you're looking to promote your NFTs, then you should definitely create a Twitter account for your NFT collection. The next way you can promote your NFT is going to be a tool, using a tool. For Ethereum NFTs, I would suggest Rarity.tools. It really works good with OpenSea.io, and not just Rarity tools. There are many other platforms out there. For example, Calendar.com, Calendar NFTs. Then we have UpcomingNFT.com. For Solana NFT, you can go to HowRare.is. So these are the different platforms you can check out, and on these platforms you have to add your collection. You can also pay if you have a budget, but it's okay. Most of the platforms are free. You can go ahead and list your collection on these platforms, and people will be able to check out your collection. You can add your collection to the upcoming ones, and people will check out your collection in the upcoming section. Or if it's already created and it's already launched, you can go ahead and add it as well. So it will really help you gain the promotion. People will check out your NFT, they will check out your website, your Twitter, your Discord, and your collection. People actually most of the time discover new collections from these platforms because they're looking for cheap and good NFTs. So you can go ahead and mint your NFT collection, and then you can simply promote it on Rarity.tools or any other NFT tool out there, and you will be able to sell your NFTs. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to promote your NFT collection and how to sell your first NFT. If you enjoyed the video, if I was a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.